Oh, we are going.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Where's Katie? Where's Katie? Katie.
Can we go?
Well, go there, please. Go there. Go in there.
Presents, right.
Yeah, presents. Oh, stay there. Stay there.
Oh, the window's open.
Okay. Wait a second. Okay.
No.
No. Come in.
I don't want a picture.
No, come in. I'm videoing. Her name's Jess, and she... Kate, is that okay? Sorry we're late.
Sorry we're late, Katie, but we had to go tonight because we were worried about the weather tomorrow. So I'm sorry.
Victoria's crying.
So we got this instead of Fruit Loops. I'm sorry, I couldn't get the Fruit Loops.
Oh, Victoria's crying. You're lovely.
I didn't care about Fruit Loops. What baby shit?
He's a cockapoodle.
A cockapoodle. How old is she?
She's 10 weeks.
10 weeks.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yes, she is.
All the way home, she didn't make a single whimper. And people said she's going to be sick and she's going to be this, and she didn't make a sound.
Hello, baby.
Can I hold it because I got British Army?
Yeah, go on, you have a hold there.
Oh my god. I swear I'm not. I swear I'm dreaming. I swear I'm dreaming. Am I really dreaming? Oh my god.
What's that? What do you say?
I think I'm dreaming. I swear.
What do you say?
Jess.
Yeah.
This is Jess. It's probably
We've been up this
Is this
3 times we've been up to see her.
3 times?
Yeah.
This is the 3rd time.
How did you manage that?
Because we're very good.
This is our special blanket. It smells of our